Struggling with low back pain? It doesn't have to hold you back. In this video, we'll share 10 proven tips to ease discomfort and find lasting relief. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. From posture fixes to stretches and lifestyle changes, these strategies can make a real difference. Ready to take control of your back health? Let's dive in. 1. Incorporate core strengthening exercises. One of the most effective ways to prevent and alleviate low back pain is by strengthening the muscles in your core. A strong core supports the spine, reducing the strain on your lower back and improving posture. Core muscles include not only the abdominals, but also the muscles of the lower back, hips, and pelvis. Exercises like planks, bridges, and leg raises help target these muscles, increasing their endurance and stability. By engaging these muscles regularly, you can reduce the likelihood of back pain caused by weak or imbalanced muscles. It's important to focus on both the front and back of your core for optimal strength. 2. Practice proper posture. Maintaining proper posture throughout the day can make a significant difference in reducing low back pain. Poor posture, especially when sitting or standing for long periods, puts unnecessary strain on the spine, leading to discomfort and potential injury. When sitting, make sure your back is straight, your shoulders are relaxed but not slouched, and your feet are flat on the floor. If you spend a lot of time at a desk, invest in a chair that provides lumbar support to maintain the natural curve of your spine. When standing, keep your weight evenly distributed between both feet and avoid locking your knees. 3. Stretch regularly. Stretching is a simple but effective way to ease tension in the muscles and ligaments around your lower back. Tight muscles in the lower back, hips, and legs can contribute to discomfort and pain. Regularly stretching these areas can increase flexibility and reduce pressure on the spine. Stretching exercises like the child's pose, cat-cow stretches, and the hamstring stretch help to lengthen the muscles in the lower back and surrounding areas, promoting better mobility. A stretching routine that focuses on the lower back, glutes, hamstrings, and hip flexors can relieve tightness and improve overall flexibility. 4. Use heat and cold therapy. Heat and cold therapy are popular methods for providing relief from low back pain. Cold therapy is most effective within the first 48 hours of an injury or when inflammation is present. Ice packs or cold compresses can help numb the pain and reduce inflammation by constricting blood vessels. Apply cold therapy for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, ensuring that you have a barrier like a cloth between the ice and your skin to avoid frostbite. After the initial inflammatory period, heat therapy can be more beneficial. Applying heat, such as a warm compress or heating pad, helps to relax tense muscles and increase blood flow to the affected area. 5. Practice yoga or Pilates. Yoga and Pilates are both excellent exercises for improving flexibility, strength, and posture, all of which are key factors in reducing low back pain. Yoga incorporates movements and stretches that help to lengthen and strengthen muscles, while also improving balance and alignment. Poses like the downward dog, pigeon pose, and cobra stretch target the back, hips, and legs, helping to relieve tension and improve flexibility. Pilates, on the other hand, focuses on strengthening the core and stabilizing muscles, which can alleviate strain on the lower back. Both forms of exercise promote mindfulness and body awareness, encouraging you to focus on how you move and hold your body throughout the day. 6. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight, particularly around the abdomen, puts additional strain on the lower back by affecting your posture and alignment. Carrying extra weight can cause the spine to shift and place more pressure on the lower back, leading to discomfort and pain. Maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular physical activity can alleviate this strain. Losing even a small amount of weight can make a noticeable difference in reducing low back pain. Incorporate cardiovascular exercise, such as walking, swimming, or cycling, along with strength training and flexibility exercises to support weight loss and improve overall muscle tone. 7. Sleep on a supportive mattress. The quality of your sleep and the surface you sleep on can greatly affect your back health. A mattress that is too soft or too firm can put undue pressure on your spine and lead to poor sleep posture, which can aggravate low back pain. A medium firm mattress is often recommended for individuals with back pain, as it supports the natural curvature of the spine while still offering some cushioning. The goal is to maintain proper spinal alignment while you sleep. Additionally, sleeping in a position that supports your back is equally important. Sleeping on your side with a pillow between your knees or on your back with a pillow under your knees can help maintain the spine's neutral position. 8. Lift properly. Improper lifting techniques can lead to significant back strain and injury. When lifting heavy objects, it's important to use your legs and core muscles rather than relying on your back. Start by bending at the knees, keeping your back straight, and engaging your core muscles. Avoid twisting your spine when lifting and instead turn your entire body by pivoting your feet. Hold the object close to your body, as the further it is from your center of gravity, the more strain it places on your lower back. If you need to lift something especially heavy, ask for help or use tools like lifting straps or a dolly. Practicing proper lifting techniques reduces the risk of injury and helps protect your back from strain and discomfort. Remember to warm up before heavy lifting and avoid sudden jerky movements. 9. Stay active throughout the day. Sitting or standing in one position for too long can contribute to low back pain, especially if your posture is poor. Incorporating regular movement into your daily routine can help prevent stiffness and discomfort. Try standing up, stretching, or walking around every 30 minutes if you work at a desk or sit for long periods. Even light movements like walking or stretching can reduce pressure on the spine and improve circulation to the muscles. Regular physical activity helps maintain muscle strength, joint flexibility, and spinal health, reducing the risk of back pain. Activities like walking, swimming, or cycling are low-impact exercises that are easy on the back while still promoting overall health. Staying active throughout the day can help you avoid the negative effects of prolonged sitting or inactivity and keep your back feeling strong and healthy. 10. Consult with a healthcare professional. If your low back pain persists or worsens despite self-care efforts, it may be time to consult with a healthcare professional. A doctor, physical therapist, or chiropractor can assess your condition and recommend a tailored treatment plan based on your specific needs. Professional guidance can help identify the root cause of your back pain, whether it's due to muscle imbalances, poor posture, an injury, or a medical condition like herniated discs or spinal stenosis. A physical therapist can teach you targeted exercises to strengthen the muscles around your spine and improve posture. If needed, a chiropractor may use manual adjustments to help restore spinal alignment and alleviate discomfort. Working with a healthcare provider ensures you receive appropriate treatment and care for long-term relief. By implementing these tips into your routine, you can finally put an end to your low back pain and enjoy a more active, pain-free life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your progress with us in the comments below.